Hello from Slovenia again. Today is the day for another Do's and Don'ts challenge, and the challenge that I got today is from lovely Doris Do Designs. She has her channel on YouTube. She's a brave lady. Nice, brave lady, friend, artist that she's not afraid to try new things in pouring. So if you didn't check her yet, please do. And the do's that Doris give me are: you have to use primary yellow. You have to do a wandering ring pour from one side to other side, and use two colors as my flow extender. This one is, I don't know. And my don'ts are: don't rack it, just tilt it. Don't use square canvas and don't use black. So Doris, I really don't know what will happen with this one. So I have my primary yellow here, and other colors are nickel titanium yellow, Amsterdam, PBO iridescent, precious gold, PBO cobalt green, I think, Amsterdam Naples yellow green, and Amsterdam olive green deep. And I have my pearl white, and I have 24 karat gold, don't know. And for the flow extender I have titanium buff from Amsterdam and primary yellow from PBO that it's opaque. So I will just start layering my cup. I will just do it like that, and I will start with this nickel titanium nickel yellow and some precious gold and some primary yellow. I don't use that color combination a lot. Some pearl white for some effects maybe, and some of this cobalt green. This one looks a little thinner because I have those paints mixed already. And I will add some 24 karat gold too, not a lot, for some effects maybe. And olive green again, not again, it's the first time. Okay, and I will go with nickel lazo again. And gold again. This is precious gold. And primary yellow. So let's primary yellow be the show star of the show. And this green that it looks thin, hopefully it will not affect our pour. 24K gold and olive green again. And I will add another layer of yellow and not the greens. So nickel, hazel, no! Nickel titanium and some precious gold, and I will add some pearl white here and some primary yellow to start with. Okay, and I will pour my primary yellow here, opaque one, and I have something in here. And this titanium buff on the other side of my canvas. Hope that you mean like that, Doris. I just stretch this a little bit. Okie doke. Let's do that. A lot of green, and because I can't rack it and nothing, I don't know. So you definitely give me a challenge, Doris. I don't like that. So these are challenges that challenges are all about. You do something that you don't normally do. I will just grab another cup. so hard for me not to wreck it, so let's just see. I wasted a lot of paint for this one, obviously. I will just leave it like it is. So, hard one. I kind of like to wreck my wandering pores, so this was hard, but kind of hope that it will dry nice because of all this gold, and I just want to tilt a little bit of this off. I didn't like that. Let's go back. Okay, I will leave it now, Doris, because this was a tough one. So here is the dry result of the do's and don'ts with Doris at DF Designs. My hands are shaking today. And there are a lot of beautiful details of this gold and this pearl white, so even though that it's and this gold here with quinacridone orange, these details are just amazing. So it turned out nice, even though that I struggle, but that's why the challenges are for. So don't forget to check to go to Doris's premiere right after mine. And see you on the next one. Bye.